How to download Casual app on Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, unlock your Android phone and open Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at bottom right and tap search bar at top of your screen and type in Casual app. Tap search icon at bottom right corner of your screen and look for the Casual app in the search results. Make sure it's the right one by checking the developer name and app logo. Now tap install and wait for the download to complete. Once installed, you can tap open to launch the Casual app. And then with that, you will be now ready to use Casual app on your Android phone. If you are unable to find the app, it might be not available on your region. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.